Hi guys, today we're going to be doing another pack opening, and we have 1990 Series 1 and Series 2 football packs. I'm going to go first with my Series 2. Yeah. Okay. Mark Pittman. These guys.
Oh, Randall Cunningham.
Oh, Randall Cunningham.
Oh, that was Bo Jackson.
So far, it's a pretty good pack. Corey Kenny, you can see that.
Wait, see that? Oh, no.
Oh, it's a rookie, Dar Thomas. Scotty Ford. Okay, so out of that we got this Randall Cunningham.
Rating 75.5. Oh,
That's okay. Okay,
I'm
so
gonna be opening this pack.
Series
the other
1.
pack is this one.
Yes, they're both Series
This
1.
one.
So come on, let's
The
go.
other pack, not this one. This one has the moon on the front. I know he is on the front on this one.
They're like half brisket, half
Sure.
sugar burgers. They're yummy.
Ooh, is that John Elway? Ooh, John Elway, nice. Wait,
Oh, Herman Hurd.
Last game.
I was looking for a Herman Moore. Oh, that was mine. That was mine.
okay, just show him the card.
Who is that?
I love that's
Ronnie Lott?
Ooh, Ronnie Lott.
Bang!
And last one. Okay, I got two.
I got one, so he won the first round.
Carl Peterson.
What was your other card? It doesn't matter. Okay, so this is my other one. I think it's your right. He's throwing another number. I just forget.
I honestly think this is gonna have something good. What? Oh, dude, that was in terrible condition.
Look at this. I just found it in the pack. That came like that. I didn't do anything. I like literally just opened this. Yeah, that's what happens with these old packs. That could happen, you know?
You know, it could even happen to someone rude, like to Montana. You got him. The last person on the phone. But you just have one more.
Okay. Ooh, Ronnie Lott. No, that's Ronnie Lott. Ooh, Barry Sanders.
Sanders. Chris Coleman, though.
For Washington.
Another Fred. We have another Fred. Wait, we had Fred Washington.
Jimmy Burr. Yeah, so I got 1 point
I am
again.
opening this one.
I got one hit again. Okay, so far, I think he's going to win this again. So this guy pretty much has it in the bag. Unless you can pull his one.
I just think if I can aim for one good one.
You win. No, because you win.
Oh, look at that.
C-Swell.
Oh, that bottom. Let's sign something good. And it's Lawrence Taylor. Or Lawrence Taylor. Man, I thought it was Lawrence Taylor.
That'd be cool.
What? And it was signed on the back. Well, not really, but whatever. Bo Jackson!
Let's hear it. Ooh!
This one's at least like $4. And the last one.
Bo Jackson is the only player ever
Play
to
two
be.
sports.
No, not two
What?
sports.
Yeah, he
Okay.
did too.
Yeah, no. So Bo Jackson is the only person ever to play two sports and be all stars in both of them. Because Michael Jordan played baseball and basketball. Basketball, all star, but not baseball. I mean, he didn't make it to the minor leagues at least. So that was our pack opening. He won.
Yes,
And I hope you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the like button.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.